We got starter board plumb, square and true to start it off. Looks great. So I don't know what happened to this string line. Out of these guys, people's way. I don't need to be tripping over this. Anyways, we got our string line started. I ran this one, and Jeff, the Lost Man, he ran this top one, which let me, quite frankly, is better than mine. That is tighter than banjo. Anyways, guys, it comes down to giving me a point of reference to get these fence panels nice and plumb and looking good. See right here, just kind of. I don't know what happened right there. Oh yeah, there we go. Let's see that. Quick things. It's just little quick things here and there. And I'm gonna get to work. So let's see how this turned out down here. Yeah, look at that. Oh, I'm excited. It's one of the best fences I've repaired. Look at that bad boy.